Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you buy stocks and crypto with Revolut. So let's get into the video. So open up your Revolut application and log into your app. So once you are logged in and everything, so what you're going to do now, you'll see a screen something like this, and what you're going to do is underneath you'll see a tab called Hub. Click on the Hub, okay, on your bottom down there, on your bottom right. Go to Hub, and then here if you're going to buy stock, so you can click on stocks. All right, and then now here you can search for the stocks. So for example, let me see Tesla. Okay, I'll just choose that. So search for the stock that you want to buy, click on it, and then all you have to do is click on get started and then proceed with the purchasing. So that's how you buy a stock. For example, or if you want to buy a cryptocurrency, then all you have to do is pretty much similar. So get to your Hub option again here, and then you will see the crypto option here under Vault. So click on crypto. All right, and then again you can search for whatever that you want to buy, for example Bitcoin or whatever. So just search for it, and then it will pop up, and then hit on the buy option, and then you proceed with the purchase. And that's pretty much how it is. So hope this information video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.